In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change fonts in Excalidraw. By the end, you'll be able to change the font family, adjust the font size, and toggle bold or italic on your text so your diagram looks the way you want. First, select text. On your canvas, click the text element you want to edit. You should see selection handles appear around it, confirming it's selected. If you're working with multiple text items, click the one you want to change so you don't accidentally edit the wrong element. Now open the Style panel, look to the right side of the screen. If the Style panel is visible, you'll see controls for the selected text. If it's collapsed, click Style to expand it. As long as your text is selected, the panel will show options that apply to text. Next, click Font. In the Style panel, I'd find the font control and click it to open the list of available font families. Choose font, pick the one you prefer, hand-drawn for a sketchy look, normal for a cleaner UI style text, or code if you want a monospaced developer-friendly style. Click your choice and you'll see the selected text update immediately on the canvas. If nothing changes, confirm the text is still selected, then try again. Change size. At this point, we'll adjust how large the text appears so it's readable and consistent with your drawing. Select text. And if you clicked elsewhere, click your text again to reselect it. You need the text selected for the size controls to take effect. Adjust font size and panel. In the Style panel, locate the font size control. It'll increase or decrease the size using the up and down controls or type a specific value if a field is available. Watch the canvas as you adjust so you can match the exact scale you need. If the text wraps in a way you don't expect, drag the text box width on the canvas to fit the new size. Keep your changes within a comfortable range so labels remain clear at your final export or presentation size. Change style. With the text still selected, we'll refine the emphasis. Toggle bold or italic if available. In the Style panel, click bold to make the text heavier or click italic to slant it for emphasis. These options may vary by font family. If you see bold or italic grayed out or the look doesn't change, that font may not support that style. In that case, switch to another font from the font list and try again. Make small. You deliberate changes and check the result on the canvas to ensure consistency across your diagram. Once that's done, click on an empty area of the canvas to deselect and review your text. If you need to make additional adjustments, reselect the text and repeat the same steps in the Style panel. Remember, every change applies only to what's selected, so always confirm the correct text element is highlighted before changing the font size or style. That's it. You've changed the font family, adjusted the font size, and set bold or italic for your text in Excalidraw, and everything is now configured and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.